The Iranian 38-year-old activist, Niyak Ghorbani, was arrested while holding an anti-Hamas placard at a London pro-Palestinian protest on Saturday, police confirmed. The activist held a sign reading, "Don't attack the law. Hamas is a terrorist." UK added Hamas to the terrorist list. Terrorism Act 2000. In March 2021, footage from the incident showed Ghorbani's sign garnering attention from the surrounding protesters as people began chanting "Free Palestine" and "Shame on you" at him while attempting to cover his sign with the Palestinian flag. The altercations quickly turned physical, with protesters attempting to grab at his sign, and Ghorbani was filmed being shoved by a protester before trying to leave the heated situation. Metropolitan Police followed Ghorbani, and multiple officers were recorded cornering and arresting him. One officer was also filmed crumpling Ghorbani's banner to the cheers of the demonstrating crowds. Ghorbani later told that the police injured his hand and back during the arrest. The Metropolitan Police published in a statement on X that they had not arrested Ghorbani for the anti-Hamas banner, but had arrested him for assault as officers intervened to prevent a breach of peace. The statement also confirmed that after officers fully reviewed footage provided of the incident, he was later de-arrested. The statement did not reveal if the protesters involved in the altercation had been arrested, but Ghorbani told the Post that they had not been. Ghorbani also told the Post, "Initially, the police claimed my intention was to disrupt the gathering. They threw me to the ground and arrested me. Despite seeing my poster and realizing I hadn't said anything against the laws of England, they detained me. The police told me I was arrested for disrupting the gathering. Then after 5 minutes, they said someone had complained about me for resisting. However, eventually, when my friends presented videos to the police, they realized their grave mistake and released me, warning me of arrest if I returned to a Hamas supporting gathering." However, instead of apologizing, the police issued a statement full of lies and played with my dignity. "It's shameful." Jonathan Turner, executive director for UK Lawyer for Israel, reviewed footage of the arrest and confirmed to the Post that the police may have broken the law during the arrest and prevented those who assaulted Ghorbani from being identified. "It appears from the footage that the police brutally arrested the wrong person," Turner said. Niyak Ghorbani was entitled to use reasonable force to prevent a person who was attempting to steal his poster, which said, "Hamas is terrorist." In arresting Mr. Ghorbani, the police appear to have committed criminal offenses of assault and false imprisonment. In addition, it appears that a policeman took and screwed up his poster, as well as theft of his property and criminal damage. This was also destruction of evidence that might have had fingerprints identifying the real offender. Ghorbani told officers that he did not assault anybody and that his intention was to show the British public that the protesters were supporting Hamas and not the Palestinian civilians of Gaza. Earlier, Metropolitan Police had forcibly removed Ghorbani while he was protesting against Hamas in a similar incident, according to a report. Leading up to the removal, Ghorbani claimed that protesters threw bottles, sticks, clods of earth, and other items at him.